Hello guys, this is How to Socials and today I'm going to show you how you can create a video call on WhatsApp web. It's really easy, so let's not waste any more time and get right into it. So once you're on WhatsApp web, what you need to do is just make sure that you're logged in, and now once you've done that, you can see right here your profile icon. We are going to go to the right of it and click on the button with three dots which says menu. Here we're going to click on the second option, which is create a room. Now for this part we need to be logged onto our messenger. We are going to click on continue to messenger, and just hit continue as whatever your name is. Once you've done that, just create room as. And your room should be now good to go. We're going to hit allow for our microphone, and here is our room. We can copy the link, and in order for someone else to join our room, we just got to give them the link, and they can join the room by that link. And that's pretty much all there is to it, guys. This is how you can have a video call on WhatsApp web. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and see you in the next one.